He's saying bubble.
Bubbles. Say more bubbles, Grandma. Here we go. No bubbles. We're running out of soap, Mommy. Here we go. No more bubbles. Oh my goodness. Here, let's do this one more time. Those are little bubbles.
It's bubble time.
You're running out of soap. Can you say bubbles? Can you say bubbles? Bubble. Bubble. Good boy.
He's getting good. Starting to learn more words.